If you are over 60 and drinking beet juice every morning, I want you to stop and listen carefully for the next 60 seconds. Because you are probably doing something right, but you are only getting half the benefit. And that missing half? That is the difference between beet juice that slightly helps and beet juice that actually restores your blood flow the way your body desperately needs after 60. I am going to show you exactly why beet juice alone cannot complete the two-step nitric oxide conversion your aging body needs, and I am going to reveal the one simple ingredient you need to add to make it work 2 times better. Stay until the end, because I will also give you the exact morning recipe, the right amounts, the right timing, and one ingredient most people throw in the trash every single morning. Why beet juice is only half the story. Let me explain what is actually happening inside your blood vessels right now. When you drink beet juice, your body absorbs something called dietary nitrates. And for those nitrates to actually boost your blood flow, they need to be converted into nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Here is the critical part almost nobody talks about. Nitric oxide conversion is a 2-step process. Step 1 happens in your gut. Step 2 must happen in your mouth, and this is where most seniors fail completely. Step 1. Your gut converts beet nitrates into something called nitrites. Step 2. Bacteria in your saliva convert those nitrites into active nitric oxide. Now here is the devastating problem for people over 60. As you age, the population of nitrate-reducing bacteria in your mouth dramatically declines. Research suggests this can reduce your nitric oxide conversion efficiency by up to 50%. And this is critical. If you use antibacterial mouthwash before your beet juice, you have almost completely wiped out those bacteria. Your beet juice becomes nearly useless. Have you ever brushed your teeth or used mouthwash right before your morning beet juice? If yes, you have been unknowingly blocking your own blood flow benefits. You are not alone. Millions of seniors do this every single day. But there is more. Even if your oral bacteria are intact, your aging digestive system may be struggling to absorb these nutrients efficiently. This is why so many seniors say they drink beet juice every day, but do not feel any real difference in their energy or circulation. The beet juice is not failing you. The delivery system needs a partner. The cost of incomplete blood flow, poor blood flow after 60 is not just about feeling tired. Let me tell you what is actually at stake. When your nitric oxide levels are low, your blood vessels stay narrowed. Your heart works harder to push blood through tight channels. That increased pressure damages vessel walls over time. Circulation to your legs, your brain, your heart muscle, all of it suffers. You feel it as cold hands and feet, as brain fog, as that heavy, aching feeling in your legs by afternoon, as shortness of breath climbing stairs that never used to bother you. And here is what nobody tells seniors. After 60, your body produces roughly 50% less nitric oxide than it did at 40. You are already starting from a deficit. The last thing you want is to be investing in beet juice every morning and only capturing a fraction of what it can do. The good news? The fix is incredibly simple. You do not need a new supplement. You do not need a prescription. You just need to add one specific natural ingredient to your beet juice, something that completes that second step of conversion and amplifies the entire process. The secret ingredient, the ingredient is vitamin C, specifically from fresh lemon or orange juice. Now, before you say, "Doctor, I already knew about lemon juice," let me show you why this combination is genuinely remarkable, and why the mechanism goes far deeper than most people realize. Why vitamin C completes the beet juice process. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects nitric oxide from being destroyed before it can reach your blood vessels. Once nitric oxide is produced, it can be quickly neutralized by free radicals in your bloodstream, especially in an aging body with higher oxidative stress. Vitamin C essentially wraps a protective shield around the nitric oxide your body just worked to produce. But there is a second mechanism even more powerful. Vitamin C directly stimulates the enzyme eNOS endothelial nitric oxide synthase, the enzyme inside your blood vessel walls that produces nitric oxide independently. This means you are not just protecting what you have. You are triggering your body to produce more. In plain language, beet juice supplies the raw material. Vitamin C protects the product and deactivates additional production. Together, they create a genuine double-action blood flow boost. The research behind this combination, studies published in the journal Hypertension and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have shown that combining dietary nitrates with antioxidant vitamin C produces significantly greater reductions in blood pressure and arterial stiffness compared to nitrates alone. One study found the combination improved blood vessel dilation by up to 64% more than beet juice consumed without antioxidant support. This is not a trend. This is basic biochemistry. And it costs you almost nothing to implement starting tomorrow morning. Now, I promised you one ingredient most seniors throw in the trash every morning. Here it is. It is the lemon peel, or more specifically, the white pith just beneath the peel. That white, slightly bitter layer is packed with hesperidin, a powerful flavonoid that has been shown in multiple studies to directly relax the smooth muscle in blood vessel walls, independently of the nitrate-nitric oxide pathway. This means while your beet juice and lemon juice are activating the nitric oxide pathway, the hesperidin from the peel is activating a completely separate vasodilation mechanism. You are essentially hitting your blood vessels from two different angles at the same time. How to use it? When you cut your lemon for juicing, take a small piece of the peel about the size of your thumbnail and blend it directly into your drink. The taste is mildly bitter, but is balanced by the natural sweetness of beet. Most people find they cannot even notice it after the first few days. The complete morning recipe here is the exact recipe optimized for seniors over 60. 1.6 to 8 ounces of pure beet juice, fresh pressed or cold pressed, bottled with no added sugar. 2. Juice of half a fresh lemon, approximately 2 tablespoons, provides 15 to 20 mg of natural vitamin C. 3.8 thumbnail-sized piece of lemon peel or white pith, blended in for hesperidin. 4. Optional but powerful. A 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder or a small piece of fresh ginger. Ginger is a natural blood thinner and further supports circulation. Critical timing rules: do not use antibacterial mouthwash for at least 1 hour before drinking this blend. Best consumed on an empty stomach. 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Do not heat the drink. Heat destroys the vitamin C and reduces nitrate activity. If you take blood pressure medication, consult your doctor before adding this routine. The combination can lower blood pressure significantly. You can prepare this the night before and store it in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator. It stays potent for up to 18 hours when chilled. Coming up in just 2 minutes, I am going to give you the exact recipe with precise amounts, plus the bonus ingredient that most seniors literally throw in their kitchen trash every single morning. Do not skip this part. Let me summarize what we covered today. Beet juice alone only completes step 1 of the nitric oxide conversion process. After 60, your body struggles to complete step 2 without help. Adding fresh lemon juice provides the vitamin C your body needs to both protect and amplify nitric oxide production. Adding the lemon peel gives you hesperidin, a bonus vasodilator that works through a completely different pathway. Together, this simple 2-minute morning ritual gives your cardiovascular system the full support it needs at this stage of life. Drop the word flow in the comments right now, and I will personally send you our free PDF guide, The Senior Blood Flow Protocol, your complete daily routine for circulation, energy, and heart health after 60. No email required. Just comment flow. If this helped you today, please share it with someone over 60 who drinks beet juice every morning. You might just double their results. I will see you in the next video.